Look, Rinseroo's patented elastomer connector stretches up to 5 times its size to easily slip on most faucets. Rinsing your best friend is a struggle, but just slip the super stretch connector onto your bathtub faucet and the spray head hose cleans your buddy from head to toe. Do those heavy buckets break your back? Rinseroo slips on your kitchen faucet for a faster, easier cleanup. Rinse dirty screens till they're super clean. It's the ideal way to refresh your aquarium. So convenient, you can even fill the foot bath. There's more. Attach Rinseroo to your inside faucet and bring the warm water outside. Attach the Rinseroo hose to your garden hose and treat your pet to a warm water bath. Roll Rinseroo onto your inside faucet, then attach to your garden hose. You'll heat baby's pool with warm, comfy water. Handheld shower heads are expensive, and installation is a pain. But with Rinseroo, there's no installation, no plumbers, no mess. Get your Rinseroo and discover all the things you can do.